Welcome to Liberty. In this tutorial video, we will show you how your ONT and SERCOM gateway work. These essential devices help you enjoy your internet connection quickly and reliably. Throughout the video, you'll learn about how each device works, their importance, the meaning of their indicator lights, and how to change the credentials for enhanced security. Let's get started. It is important that you know how each device works. The ONT distributes the internet to the SERCOM gateway. The gateway broadcasts the Wi-Fi signal to your home. Get to know the ONT's indicator lights and connection ports. At the top part of the ONT, you will see these lights: power, GPON, LAN, phone, LOS, and alarm. These lights will turn on when you connect the ONT. If the power and GPON lights stay solid and turn green, the ONT is ready or has a signal. If the power light flashes, the ONT is initializing. If the GPON light flashes, there is data consumption. If the last two lights turn red, there is no signal or it is affected. On the back, the ONT has two ports, one blue for Ethernet connection and another one gray for a telephone line. Get to know the SERCOM gateway's indicator lights and connection ports. On the front of the gateway, you will see these lights: power/WAN, Wi-Fi/WPS, and LAN. When you connect the gateway, these lights will turn on. If the power and Wi-Fi lights stay solid and turn green, the internet connection is available. If the light flashes slowly or quickly, the device is initializing. If the light turns red, there is no internet. On the back, the gateway has 5 ports. There are 3 ports for LAN connection, 1 port for WAN connection, and a USB port. In addition, there is the power input and the reset button. On one of its sides, the gateway has the WPS button to create a secure connection with automatic encryption. Now we'll show you how to change the SERCOM gateway's credentials. Credentials are the name, or SSID, and the password of a Wi-Fi network. The gateway comes with pre-programmed credentials that you can change. Follow these steps to customize them. Connect to the Wi-Fi network of the gateway. Make sure the gateway is connected via LAN cable to the ONT at all times. Access the web address on the screen. Enter the pre-programmed credentials of the device. You'll find them on a label below it. Go to the Wireless tab and press the Basic Setup option. In the space below Wi-Fi name SSID, enter the name you want to use for the network. To change the password, press the Change Password button. This window will open. Enter there the password you want and press Save. Use this new name and password to configure your 2.4 and 5 GHz networks. This way, the installation process will be more effective. Confirm the changes by pressing Apply. Remember, you will have to configure all your devices with the new name and password of your Wi-Fi network. Thank you for allowing us to serve you and be your telecommunications provider.